Okay, we've taken a look at how to build our unit here, and the next step is to take a look at how to mount the different motors into our system. So what we're going to do is to take a look at each of the motors individually. We're going to start with our first motor, and notice that the position of the pinion here allows us to turn it and to align it. We're going to use a screw. No Loctite, because I often change motors for different speeds for different purposes, so I want this to come off easy. All right, so we'll push it up from the bottom and wiggle it in, and then we'll turn it until the teeth line up. And we want to be really careful that the motor stays perpendicular. We don't want to lean it left or right. It puts too much pressure on the internal gears. It would cause it to wear out faster. So we want this to be connected so that the gears mesh, and it won't move. It has a locking capability of holding its position. So that looks good. Let's go ahead and tighten that up. And now we could try this out by using our little servo tester. So we don't have to worry right now about polarization. We'll actually check that later when we get the computer set up. But we'll attach these alligator clips. And we can see it's moving already. So we don't want those to touch, but we can see that by turning the knob, we actually have control of the x-axis.
And we will extend the life of the International Space Station, likely by more than 5 years, while actually using it for its intended purpose, conducting advanced research that can help improve the daily lives of people here on Earth, as well as testing and improving upon our capabilities in space.